Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I love the vlog 22. Hey you guys, welcome to the channel, Princess Army. So today I'm doing my quick weave. I have my hair glue on deck. I have my hair, a comb, scissors, and I also have these here. I have 2 packs. I have 2 packs of this. Okay. 2 packs. So I'm using this one, then I'm going to open this pack, and this is what I did already. Alright, so I'll be back with the rest. Stay tuned. Alright, so basically this is what I do. I take the hair and I measure it. I measure it on the back. I measure it. Okay. And then once I measure it, I look for the part that the glue go on. Okay, and it's here. It goes on this part because this part is smaller. All right. So it go in this part. Okay, so I fold it like this. I fold it here like this. Right, and then I just put the glue all around the edges. Okay, gotta put the glue all on it. See? The glue. Just gotta go all around the edges with the glue. That's how it's gonna stick. You have to make sure you get enough. Because if not, it's not gonna stick. And then it's gonna go lifting up. And you don't want that wind to hit you real good. And then your track go flying, okay? You don't want your track going flying and being embarrassed. You have to make sure you put enough glue to secure it, see? You have to make sure you have enough glue. So that's pretty good. See that? Okay, so that's enough. So I just take it and then I just put it there, and then I go around the back, I fill it out, and then I just stick it. Okay, and then I just push on it to make sure it sticks. So you gotta make sure you push on it, because if not, it's not gonna stick. So you have to make sure you push it. Okay. Yeah, so you have to secure it so it don't go lifting up. You have to push it and secure it, because if not, it's gonna go lifting up. All right, there we go. Now I'm gonna do the same thing for this piece. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna put some more glue on this one. And again, you want to make sure you put enough glue to make it stick to your head. Okay, see, all glue all the time. Okay, so this one I'm gonna go around, stop there. I'm gonna go vroom, 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 vroom. Park it right there. Okay, and then just push it around to make sure it's all sticking. Yeah, you want to push it. See, I'm pushing it. This is how you're going to make sure it's sticking. Because you don't want to touch it and it just lift up. You know, you don't want them kind of problems, honey. Okay. So, yeah, I'm just pushing it to make sure it sticks. Okay, that's it. That sticks. Okay, and of course, I'm gonna be flat ironing this. So, excuse it right now. I'm gonna be flat ironing soon. Alright, I'll be back when I get up here. Bye for now. Alright, so right now I'm at the top. So this is it. I'm up here. I'm almost gonna cut this, but not yet. Yes, so now I'm on this pack. I'm using this one. It's a little reddish, so I'm mixing it with the black to get that black and brown feeling. So it's the Central ArmyNation 100% human hair. See, color is color 8, and it's 8 inches. Okay, so that's that. All right. So I'm here now. All right, so I'll be back. All right, you guys. So yes, I'm up here at the very top. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this part. I'm gonna cut this here. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. The lighting sucks. I'm sorry. Wait, gotta make sure I don't cut my hair. I gotta cut a little more. So you gotta get to my hair. It's right here. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, there we go. So I'm up here at the top. Okay, so now I have to cut off a little bit of this because I can't see the hair. Okay. Yes, so I just cut that part. Alright, so yeah, let me okay. So alright, so now I got this, so I can put the hair right here. And I don't need this part, so I just cut that part off. I don't need that part. Okay, so see, I just cut that. Sorry. So I just cut the wig cap. This is my hair that I left out, and I just cut it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of the weave up here on top, and I'll be right back. All right, so now I'm just up here at the top, trying to fill this part in right here, trying to fill this empty part. So yep, about to put this hair, about to put it right here. Okay. Okay, so I'm just pushing that one in and I'll be right back, guys. Okay, you guys, so I'm finished installing it and I'm right up here at the top. So now I just have to take my hair. See, I closed it all up. And this is my hair. Ah, I'm about to fall. So I just have to carefully just take some little by little and just flat iron it. I have the flat iron plugged in right now. So I'm just going to take it little by little sections. And then I'm just going to flat iron it to get that silky. Yep, so to get that nice and silky look, then I'm just going to comb it out to this and just add it to that. And let's go ahead and get one more going that way. Okay, there we go. So you want to get it from the root and try to get it as straight as you can. For better result, so you can get that fresh perm look, you want to hit it from the root. Okay, so see, you get that silky smooth, like, you know, you just permed it. So that's the look I'm going for. See, it's silky smooth. Alright, so I'm gonna finish up the rest of this and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back and I did that, so that's done. Okay, so now I'm just going to part it in like little sections and flat iron the rest. Okay, so we're gonna flat iron it. I'm gonna get a curling iron, because I want to be able to like to switch up the styles too, you know, to have curls some days and to have it straight. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So yeah, so right now I'm just, you know, flat iron it to get it nice and silky smooth, you know. Okay. Yeah, so right now I'm just trying to flat iron the back of my hair to get it nice and smooth and straight. Okay, so okay, so that's it. I'm gonna put a little bit of gel here. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I'm all done, you guys. I'm gonna curl the end right here a little bit. So that's it. The lighting is bad because it's dark right now. But here it is. Don't mind my eyebrows. They're a little messed up. But that's it. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to, as always, stay blessed, divas. And don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.